Hey, what's up guys? Today I'm going to teach you how to make namban, which in Lao it translates to pretty much sweet water. In Vietnamese this is called gia thai. There are so many ways to make this. In the Philippines they even add ice cream such as ube and cornflakes, known as the iconic halo halo. Let's get started. You're going to need canned tropical fruits. With the can opener, open it. You can use fresh fruits if you want. Next, strain it. Today I'm using jackfruit, lychee or lychee, rambutan, palm seeds, coconut strips, and coconut jelly. Reserve the syrup for later use. For the grass jelly, they come out of a can like this, so you're gonna have to cut it to shape. I like to cut them to little cubes. And for the rest of the fruits, such as the jackfruit and lychee, I like to cut them to bite-sized pieces. Wow, look at that. Next, on medium-high heat, add your desired amount of coconut milk, followed by adding brown sugar or sugar. Stir until this dissolves. If you don't want to use coconut milk, you can use half and half. In a cup or a bowl, let's make our gia thai or namban. Layer this with your desired toppings. Next, add in ice or shaved ice. If you don't have any ice, you could just serve it cold. Next, add your desired amount of reserved syrup and optional condensed milk. With summer being around the corner, this would make a perfect dessert. Wow, look at that. Follow for more.